Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Kingdom Cash Charles Dyson. You made it. You got through the training. It's time to make some money. All right, so I want to show you guys not how to use the bounce back strategy, but I want to point you in the right direction because this bounce back software is absolutely amazing. It's changing people's lives all over the world. It's one of the most simple and easy to use softwares that IML has to offer, and you're absolutely going to love how simple it is, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you over to Facebook, all right, and I'm going to go search bar bounce back. Definitely make sure you are in this group. All right, now I'm already in, but you want to go ahead and join this group, IML bounce back. All right, and once you get in here, what you want to do is come over here to the units. All right, you got unit 1, then unit 2, then you got unit 3, right? You got unit 4, unit 5, right? Complete those, okay? Also, what you want to do on the main news feed, you want to pay attention because they do trainings, right? Here is one of the Bounce Back live trainings, happened 15 hours ago from the time I'm making this video. And they actually do live trainings in the group. So make sure you scroll the group, pay attention, all right? Be encouraged by the other people who are winning, right? People post their success in the group. This group has almost 22,000 people in it. Utilize this group, guys. Utilize it. 21,223 people in the group. Like I said, this piece of software is like very simple and easy to use, especially after going through this training. You guys should be well equipped to go ahead and actually maximize this particular piece of software, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So to leave you with a bit of advice, everybody wins here. Everybody in the IML community, everybody wins when you don't give up. That's just the secret. Keep going. No matter what, don't give up. Okay? And eventually you will get to that no job lifestyle you most likely are seeking. And it's going to be a wonderful, beautiful experience to have those, $100 days, $500 days, $1,000 days. Eventually, when you get there, right? As long as you are committed, right? I am no way, shape, or form guaranteeing that that's going to happen for you because I don't know you. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know if you start things and then quit. I just don't know. But what I do know is those who are committed have the potential to go farther than your wildest dreams. All right. So on behalf of the whole Retired at 365 family, welcome to the squad, welcome to the team, and take this information in, apply it, use it, go make some money. See you guys in the group and at the next IML event.